Ordering a virtual tour photography package as a new customer is fast and easy on the IDI Virtual Tours webpage. Click the Place an Order button and then scroll down to the Order Now. Once you've clicked Order Now, you can simply put in your email address. Once you've put in your email address, it's going to ask you some basic questions about yourself, including your name, phone number, and your company name. Once you've completed that information, it's then going to ask you about the property that you'd like filmed. How many square feet the home is. If you have an MLS number, you can put it in here. Most of the time you will not, since it won't be an MLS yet. And you can put in the number of bedrooms and number of bathrooms in the home. You notice that the home is highlighted on the map. And then answer a few more questions that will help our photographers, such as, is the home occupied? How many floors is the home? And is it in rental? If it's in rental, please let us know who the rental company is. If you have it on Super in Corpus Christi does require us to have a CPS code, so please put that CPS code in here. If you have any comments or special requests, you're welcome to put those in as well. And then select the photo or photo and virtual tour package that you would like. We're going to select the Matterport Digital Twin and Premiere photos for this property. Once we do that, some of the options that we can add will display on your screen. That includes the marketing kit, schematic floor plan, and Zillow 3D virtual tour. And on this order, we're also going to do their virtual twilight photos. And you can then select the day and time. We do recommend that you choose something that comes up on this appointment schedule. And we're going to select next week on July 13th. The Place My Order button will display, and you can then go ahead and place your order. See, it's just that easy.